Okay, so let's have question number 2. So this is a business combination achieved in stages. Um, so ang gagawin lang naman natin dito is pag-a-add natin yung consideration transferred for 40%, no? Kasi yun yung additional acquisition ni Angry. So nagbayad siya ng 300,000, and then i-remeasure natin yung previously held interest na 20% at fair value, so 138,000. And then the non-controlling interest will be measured at proportionate share of the fair value of NCI. So according to our problem, yung identifiable assets ni Misery ay 690,000. So yung 40% noon, yun yung ating non-controlling interest at 276,000. So we combine the three amounts to get 714,000. And then we deduct the fair value of net identifiable assets, so 690,000. So we have goodwill amounting to 24,000.